Hey everybody, this is Joe Sachetti, and today I am at 1709 Covington Street, right here in beautiful Federal Hill. This house is just gonna wow you. It's a brand new renovation. It has giant historical tax credits, parking, roof deck, and guess what? Come on over here. I'm on the park. I'm on this enchanting Riverside Park. You're gonna love it. Let's go in and look at 1709 Covington Street. What a lot of space to enjoy at 1709 Covington Street. This is a brand new, top to bottom, everything is new home. 1709 Covington Street, just glistening, light filled. This kitchen is spectacular. This kitchen's countertops, I can see myself loving city life at 1709 Covington Street. 1709 Covington Street, a lovely home with parking. 1709 Covington Street offers a lovely primary suite, full bath, giant walk-in closet, luxurious area to make a bedroom setting just for you at 1709 Covington Street. Always jolly at 1709 Covington Street. Look at me on this rooftop deck, soaring views. There's Domino's Sugar sign. There's Riverside Park. I got the harbor over here. Come on, let's go see it. 1709 Covington Street.